Hello everyone, I am Sophia, the Chief Technology Officer of Animora Global Inc. Corporation. At Animora, I am responsible for the planning and implementation of the entire technology stack, from smart contract of NFT infrastructure to be trusted on-chain integration of DePIN hardware. Our challenges isn't just getting the data on chain but making every piece of data verifiable, settable, and trustworthy. Previously, we successfully implemented a proof of contribution mechanism transferring pet color activity, heart rate, and behavioral data into a chain computing power and real incentives. This was both a technological breakthrough and a milestone in compliance and privacy governance. It's demonstrated that the real data can become the most valuable asset on chain. At CTO, I prioritize building a long-term reliable foundation over just a few technological highlights. The strength of Animora technology stack stem from our multidisciplinary team, expert in blockchain, distributed system, AI, security, and complements. This diversity enables us to simultaneously address the challenges algorithm optimization, device security, and global regulation. For me personally, this journey has allowed me to grow from an engineer to a system architect, truly understanding how technology can bear social responsibility. We want to make transparency and trust the foundation on the internet and make DePIN more than just a concept, but this fundamental infrastructure of the data economy for the next decade.
Hello everyone, I am Emily, Animora's Chief Marketing Officer. My mission is to make complex technical narratives simple, intuitive, and accessible to users and the market. Animora addresses the pain point that Web 2 cannot: fragmented credits, black box advertising, and the inability to transfer equity across scenarios. Through the 0x market and task platform, we enable every click and every purchase to be authenticated on-chain, achieving truly verifiable conversion. Through MARVIN NFTs, we transform users' behavior into long-term portable equity, a form of digital identity and assets. To date, we have enabled tens of thousands of users to complete on-chain tasks and established cross-sector partnerships with merchants around the world. This isn't just a growth data, it's a validation of a model. Animora is integrated with pet economy, DePIN, and public welfare finance to create a global consumer ecosystem for the future. For me, the greatest growth has been learning how to resonate across brand, community, and public welfare. Animora isn't just a single product, it's a brand narrative resonating with users around the world. We hope users will remember Animora not just for its service but also for the values it represents, like trust, transparency, and the long-term visions.
Hello everyone, I'm Michael, Animora's Chief Arts Officer. My job is to bring tangible artistic and cultural expression to complement the blockchain system. At Animora, we never want technology to be just cold code. We want it to engage with users' emotion and express it through art. So for this reason, we create the MARVIN NFT, which is more than just a voucher. It's a cultural symbol and an expression of identity. It carries users' emotions and values and serves as a key to entering the Animora ecosystem. So my team and I designed the comprehensive rarity system and built an immersive offline experience space, allowing users to understand the concepts of data ownership and digital rights. Through real interactions, we are not just focusing on visual, we are building a cultural barrier, giving Animora a differentiated narrative. Today, our visual system is more than just an identifying symbol, it's a vehicle for Animora's value. It allows users to recognize us globally and feel a sense of belonging. So my greatest personal growth has been my transition from a designer to a narrative builder. Through Animora, I've learned how to combine art with strategy and truly integrate design with the future of the Internet of Value.
Hello everyone, I am Andy, responsible for Animora operation in ecosystem development. My job is to truly implement our vision into the user and partner experience. On Web2 platform, user purchases are often one-time rights, are not portable, and data is not stored. At Animora, we have designed a mechanism for device activation and consumption-based benefits, allowing every purchase to leave a trace on the blockchain and be converted into benefit and rewards. We have already enabled ecosystem integration for over 200 merchants in dozens of cities, forming a truly closed loop of O2O growth. This not only addresses user pain points but also helps merchants achieve higher repurchase rate and long-term trust. Users can earn rebates at partner stores while knowing their purchases are supporting a public welfare fund. As the head of operation, my growth has been significant. I have transitioned from execution to strategic implementation. I have learned how to strike a balance between user needs, merchant interest, and ecosystem growth. Animora operations aren't about user acquisition. They are about co-building value. Our mission is to make every person, every merchant, and every purchase a part of the Animora ecosystem.
Hello everyone, I'm Leo from Animora's design team. My job is to convey Animora brand inspiring to the user around the world through visual and interactive design. In a global team, the biggest challenge is ensuring a unified visual system while maintaining application and recognition. My team and I create Animora's brand wall, ecosystem map, and KC material, and interactive posters, ensure that Animora is highly recognizable and consistent in any setting. They are not just a design achievement, they are a strategic one. In the Web3 world, branding represents trust and design represents consistency. Animora design is not about aesthetic, it is an element of our promise. It allows users to sense our professionalism and futuristic vision from the moment they see us. For me personally, the biggest growth has been learning how to integrate design into strategy. It serves not only aesthetic but also value collaboration. My designs are not just products, they are Animora narrative language to the world.